this video, I'm going over how to highlight text in WordPress step by step. Highlighting the text in WordPress is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you'll successfully have your text highlighted in WordPress. Let's get started. I'm here in the WordPress dashboard. You want to click Pages or Post in the left side menu, depending on which you want to highlight the text for. Highlighting the text in a WordPress post or page is the same process. I'll click Pages. I'll click Edit on a page I want to highlight the text for. I'll click in the area where I want to highlight the text for. I'll select the text I want to highlight. Next, click the More arrow drop down. You'll see Highlight. Click this. We can now change the highlight text color and the background highlight color. For text, I'll select this color here. You'll see the highlight text color has been changed. Next, I'll click Background. I'll choose this color here. You'll see the highlight background text color has changed. Make sure you click the Save button once you are finished to save your changes. I'll now preview my changes. You'll see the text is now highlighted and has been changed. If you now know how to highlight text in WordPress, give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.